What, Scott?
I've got an idea. Let's show the kids how to do the laundry.
Fantastic. I'll show you the steps. Start by gathering it. After we sort it, we load it in. Then grab your detergent and add the detergent.
Not too much, you're gonna get bubbles all over the place.
Oh, okay. Put the lid on. Put it away. Close the lid. Boom. Turn on the machine. And then you know what it's going to do? It's going to wash and spin. Now, after we wash it, we got to dry the laundry. And then when it's done, we fold it. And then we start all over again with the next load. And we like to call that Conquering Laundry Mountain. Oh, every night when you take off the clothes you wear, T-shirts, jeans, socks, and underwear.
Underwear?
You throw them in a pile on the floor every night, and you make your mama clean them up. It's just not right. Here we go. Gather it, sort it, load it in. Add detergent to wash and spin.
Oh, yeah.
Dry it, fold it, start again. She's conquering Laundry Mountain. Oh, every morning when you wake up, your clothes are clean, 'cause your mama put them through that old washing machine.
Thanks, Mom.
Maybe we could help her, 'cause there's so much to do. Laundry Mountain looks smaller when it's tackled by two.
Here we go.
Gather it, sort it, load it in. Add detergent to wash and spin. Dry it, fold it, start again. We're conquering Laundry Mountain. Now here's where you can agitate. Fancy word for shaking things up.
You guys know how to agitate?
These days. Now, take it a little lower. And then come back up. And you can go extra fast. For extra insight. So the next time we see Laundry Mountain appear, remember the steps that we've learned here. It's not so hard, and we can make it fun, working all together till the laundry is done.
Here we go.
Gather it, sort it, load it in.
Good job.
Add detergent to wash and spin. Dry it, fold it, start again. We're conquering Laundry Mountain.
One more load.
Gather it, sort it, load it in. Add detergent, wash and spin. Dry it, fold it, start again. We're conquering Laundry Mountain.
Sing that with us.
We're conquering Laundry Mountain.
Good job, everybody. Now go help your mom with your laundry.
Yeah, put it away.